Hi everyone, today I am making blueberry crumble. Let me let you know what you're going to need. You're going to need to preheat your oven to 375. For the fruit filling, you're going to need 1 pound of frozen or fresh berries or fruit, a zest of 1 lemon, the juice of half of that lemon, 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1/3 cup of sugar. For the crumble topping, you're going to need 2/3 cup of old-fashioned oats, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and of course a pinch of salt. Let's get started. So in a bowl, you're going to toss in your berries. Now I'm using frozen blackberries, but I could have easily used fresh, and I could have easily used a different kind of berry. This recipe works great with raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, peaches, plums. It's all up to you on what you have. The zest of the whole lemon. Now, don't forget to wash your lemon, and don't forget to take the sticker off. There have been many of times where I have grated the sticker. I swear. I'm not always perfect. Yeah. And I guess it depends on how sweet or tart your fruit is, on how much juice you would add. I like my fruit crumbles to be a little tiny tangy. That's my preference. Because I like to, eat it with a really rich homemade whipped cream, or even a Cool Whip, or even ice cream. And that just kind of kicks it up a notch. So if you need the whole lemon, I'm talking about the juice, then juice the whole lemon if it's too sweet. I'm adding the flour and the sugar. Stir that around. I could have easily made a cobbler, but I feel like this is a lot healthier. And I kind of really like the texture of the oatmeal. That it's kind of like granola-y, if that's a word. I just made one up. All right, in a separate bowl, you're going to want to add the rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. I really don't like instant oatmeal, so I always keep a bucket of oats on hand. Add the brown sugar. You can also use dark brown sugar if that's all you have. And I personally use walnuts in my topping. Now that's not in the original recipe, but I like that little crunch a little bit. I like that in my granola, so I added that. And that was actually like a quarter cup of walnuts. That's not in the recipe in the beginning of the video. But yeah, and then you add the cold butter, or once you want it to be room temperature butter, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and of course the flour and the pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt that I got from the Dollar Tree. And a tablespoon of oil. Now the recipe said vegetable oil. I only have canola oil, so that's what I put in. I really don't like to cook with vegetable oil, so I don't keep it on hand. You can mix that up with a mixer or a fork or your hands. Your best kitchen tools are your hands, God-given hands. Yep. And then pour that right on top of your berry mixture evenly. And then you're basically done. That's it. You put it in the oven at 375 for 40 minutes, and you have a really nice, somewhat healthy dessert. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, take the time out to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let's engage. Say hi. I'll say hi back. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.